Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and right now it's 12:01, January 11, 2021, and the market's still open. But I'm gonna record what I did this today on Twitter. Um, I'm about down right here. Twitter today gap down, and as you can see on the daily chart, that blue line right here is my 105 EMA, and Robert was on the date today on there on the morning room, and I really like to play this type of gap to fade back up. Um, Maybe it's good, maybe it's bad, but that's what I like to do. And because probability wise it's better because this is a news driven. Um, so I was looking at the pre-market and it was dropping as it's a downtrend. And this candle formed on the 3 minutes, and that time it dropped below to the 105 EMA. So a lot of time that a lot of time of this type of gap, and it's a form of the double bottom, it will hit the wick. I noticed that it will hit the wick and then start bouncing, and I didn't really saw that much, but this candle forming at that time, Robert was saying that if you want to pay back up, this candle will be good. So I set it up 45. What did I do? 45.92. 45.92. So it's one above this candle, and then the stop would be down here 45.07. So $1, about $1 stop, not quite, but so I almost my 1 hour. So immediately working. I got triggered in on this candle, and it is immediately working. And then it's forming this candle, and I know that once it forming this candle, I was thinking, oh, I was getting nervous because the 20 EMA is coming down, and this candle is kind of bearish right there. So I'm not quite sure. I really want to sell it though. I really want to sell it, but hold my horse. I did take 25% profit at 46.25, as you can see on this particular candle right here. Because I just try to calm myself down a little bit, throw out a little bit, and so I gain a little bit, and so I wouldn't really eager to sell whole position. So I sell 25% on this particular candle, or maybe even this candle right here. I'm not sure, but I know when it is forming bearish, that is when I sell some. And I sold it for 46.25 on the 25%. Then I sell another 25% at 47.20. So my thought on there is it will coming back to hit this candle, hit this support, and that support might become a resistance. So I sell another 25%. And originally, I was thinking about leave the sell 50% at 48.25 on that one over there. But then I changed my mind. I say, why not move a little bit? I don't know if this is a good practice or not. So I move 48.50. And I saw another 25% on this. And then I moved stop to 47.41. And then so it retest, and then it start going back, and so I start moving my, I still have a 25% right now. So I have my stop start moving when it's doing a retest right there, 47.81. Now this red line will be my mental stop when I move my stop at 47.41 when this candle forming. And now my last 25%, I'm gonna see how far can it go. I have my target at 50.28. My stop is 47.81 currently. So we shall see what's gonna happen right now. Right now, all the EMA is kind of going up. My mental stop, I will have a mental stop at 48.27. So that is my trade of the day today on Twitter. The reason why I want it to hold it, I want to hold it for 50.28 is because I have January 29 Twitter option, and you can see right now it's 50% cut. It's more than 50% cut today, and I want to get my money back on that one for day trading. So I'm holding that back a little bit. What happened on that option is, I think maybe like 5 days ago or something, I set it up to do the day trade and I forgot about it. A lot of time I set it up and I forgot about it and I got triggered in. And once I got triggered in, it's I originally have a 2 contract. I got triggered in and it is losing. I mean, the day trade doesn't look too good. So I saw 1 share, and so it's on the sideways until today. So I want to recoup the swing trade money from the day trade. So I am holding this one to see if it's gonna trail to hit my final target at 50.28. That would be good. It's still it will still I think I still have a little bit negative R, but not as much as the option that it's expired on the January 29 that R. So that's that. And I did get in on one of the trade SPRT that was dropping 52% on Friday. This particular type of trade, I did not have a lot of share in. I just have a few share trying the luck. And if it go back to 124.76, this is also news driven. On Friday, I saw it a big drop, so I check on the news and what's going on, because this is a pharmaceutical company, and it was talking about the drug was half and half controversy. So that's why the stock dropped big, and I get in at 83.81, something like that. It's not, as you can see, the candle is not that big, but that day the range is huge. This is not it right here. It's huge from 89 to 82, $7 stop. And so I got in at I think almost before market close. I think when it's forming bottom right here, I get in at 83.31, I think. So I don't know if it's this one or that one, I'm not sure. And I have a low below those candle right there. So I have a white stop, And this one I do not buy a lot. I just have, and because I know I'm gonna carry overnight, so I only have a really small share, 10 share. So today immediately working. Um, so we shall see. I might sell few share here and there, and I want want it to go back to 124.70. So we shall see if it's gonna do that. But right now it's working. So hopefully it will work for me on this type of trade. Um, that's all I have today, and I regret I didn't get into the lemon ALAMD. This one lemonade. I was looking at it when it's dropping on this one right here, and I was thinking I want it to drop a little bit lower when it touching the 20 EMA, and that was a little bit too low for it. So it didn't. I didn't get trigger. So, or maybe when it is this one, and I want it got lower price. And oh well, that's what what the risk I'm taking. When we do the limit, either trigger in and better price or never. That's all for today, and I still don't know how many are. Not how many are. How much? How yeah? How what's the R for the Twitter? I will give the update tomorrow. But so far, I think I already recruit maybe at least 0.5 R on this Twitter trade. Right now, it's if I hold it because I 25% here and there, so the R is not the reward is not 2 right now. But as you can see, it's already double. So we shall see. All right, I will check it in around 4 o'clock or maybe 3 o'clock or so. Then I will give you an update. Talk to you all soon. Bye.